Let's start today's class. So today's class is pointers concept. It is a very important C in C language. First of all, pointer. What is the meaning of pointer? So pointer is a variable which stores the address of another variable. Pointer is a variable which stores the address of another variable. Another variable is a normal variable. So what is the difference between normal variable and pointer variable? So how to declare a normal variable? Int is a data type. A is a normal variable. A is capable to store integer value. Integer value. How to declare a pointer variable? Example, integer pointer variable. Int star ptr. So ptr is not a normal variable. It is a pointer variable. So what is the difference here? The difference is very simple. Let's just observe the memory representations. Example, this is location name is A. It is a normal variable. Suppose its address is 1000. And this is PTR pointer variable. The location name is PTR. It address example I am taking 2000. Now this is the situation. If you declare like this is the situation. Now, so I will go with example to clear about the things. Now I am taking simple program to understand the pointers. Hash include stdio.h int main open brace. Now into a equal to 10. So what is the meaning if you declare like this? First the compiler will allocate memory for a. Okay, and this memory location contains value 10. Its address is 1000. I am taking example address. Now here just observe. So comma, I am declaring a pointer variable star ptr. It is a pointer variable. Now I am assigning address of a to pointer variable. Ptr equal to, how to assign a address to ptr? With the help of ampersand operator. Ampersand a, address of a. So now look at this diagram. What is the address of a? Address of a is 1000. That is nothing but 1000 will be stored in ptr. So this is going to point this memory location. With the help of this ptr, I can access this memory location a. So in this memory location a, it contains integer value. So to store this address, we need to declare integer pointer only. Why? Because this memory location contains integer data. You need to declare integer pointer only. What type of data is available in that memory location? That type of pointer only you need to create. Suppose example, the memory location contains float type data. You need to declare a float type pointer. Suppose the memory location contains a file. You need to declare a file pointer. Suppose the memory location contains a structure data. You need to declare a structure pointer. That is the meaning. Now, how to print a value? So a equal to %d double quotes and comma, write a variable name a directly. You can print it. So write a variable name, you can print it. slash n I am using. For the next output, it will go to the new line. So directly you can print a value. Next, how to print another way? Printf a equal to %d backslash n comma. What is the meaning of ampersand a? Ampersand a means address. See this one, ampersand a means address. What is the address here? The address of a is 1000. Ampersand a means 1000. I want value in this 1000. How to get the value? Just before the address you put indirection operator star. What is the meaning of this line? Okay, now whatever the value available in this address, it will print it. So what is the value available in the 1000? 10. So it will print the value 10. This is the second way to access a value. Now coming to the third way, printf a equal to %d backslash n comma. Suppose if I write ptr, what is the meaning of ptr? ptr contains 1000 only, 1000. That is nothing but address of a only. So I want to print a value in this address. ptr nothing but 1000, that is a address. I want value in 1000, put a star. Now we will get a value in 1000 is 10. It is also going to print 10 only. Another way. So printf a equal to %d double quotes and backslash n comma. Example, what is the meaning of ampersand ptr? Ampersand ptr is nothing but address of ptr. So look at the diagram again. What is the address of ptr? Now look at the diagram. Now ampersand ptr is nothing but address of ptr. Address is 2000. So 2000. If I put a star before this address, how to put star? Just put star. Star means ampersand ptr means 2000. 2000 value. 2000 value is 1000. 1000 is also address. If I put one more star, 1000 address value. 1000 address value is 10. This also will go and print 10. Next to return 0. Now execute this program. So click on compile and run. No errors are there. Now see the output. Now observe. So all it is printing, all printf statements it is printing a value 10 only. So just it is a very simple to understand the pointer. So that's all for today class.